navigation pane is designed to be very simple to navigate, especially if you organize your tree view in a way that makes things easy to find. However, it may happen that you need a set of entries that you can't find in the same folder, which could mean a lot of scrolling through thousands of entries looking for the right one. There's a lot of ways in a remote desktop manager to make this scenario more convenient. However, today we're going to look into tags. So there's a few ways to add tags to entries. However, firstly, I'd like to show you where exactly you'll need to go just to manage your tags, which will be under Edit and Tag Management. So once you're there, you'll have your Tag Management window open up. And as you'll notice at the top, we have our shared vault. This will make it so that everyone has access to these tags. We have our user vault, which will make these tags specific to your user account, and the system vault, which makes the tags specific to the system vault, which you can find at the bottom here. This is where you get to choose where you'll add them, essentially. Next, we have our add button. We have our rename button. So if ever there's a tag you'd like to edit, this is where it would be. We have our assign tag to entries button. This will give you a list of entries that you can then select a tag beforehand, obviously. But once you've done that, you can assign the tag to as many entries as you'd like. Once that's done, we also have our unassign all entries button. So if ever you'd like to remove the tag from as many entries as from all of the entries that it's assigned to, that would be the button. If you want to remove from only specific entries, then you would do the assign tag to entries, and you would just have to uncheck whatever it is you need to do. So that is about it. Next up, we also have our is default here, which means that the tag is default to your entries. And we have our number of assigned entries. So here we get a good idea of how many entries the tag is associated with. So tunnel, for example, is associated to 3. So now that we understand that, I'd like to show you how to add a tag to an entry. So we do have the tag management, as you've seen. However, there is another way we can do this. We can go to Edit after right-clicking an entry and go to Tags. This will give us our tag selection window, which will then allow you to go among the list of tags that we had seen previously. As you'll notice, it's not as detailed as it was before. So we don't have our is default field, nor do we have our number of entries field, or column rather. But we do have our list. And if ever we wanted to add more, then we could always go ahead and add a tag up here. So let's say I go ahead and add endpoint 02. So from here, I can just click on the plus, and endpoint 02 will be added at the bottom. Now, this isn't necessarily the tag that I want. Instead, I'd like to use endpoint 1. So if we do that, well, perfect. It's not there. So in that case, we can just add it here. Add the tag, and it's going to be checked already, which is perfect. So we can click OK. And there you go. The tag has been added. And that is how you add a tag. So once you've added your tags, which I've done just for reference, I've added the endpoint 01 tag to this Zen server console because I figured it would be a good idea to do it to something that had no relation to endpoint, right? Just so we can see the actual search in action. Once we've done that, we have to choose 2 things, right? So we have to choose to either use the filter or the advanced search, which can be found up here or by clicking F11 on our keyboards. What we're going to see is both. So just to show you and give you an idea, we have our field options here. So here we can include tags, which I've already checked, right? And if we do this, and we search endpoint 01, then we'll notice that endpoint 01, as well as the Zen server console, have both appeared in our search. Now, the reason this has also appeared is because the characters are very similar. But, other than the tag, Zen server console has nothing mentioning endpoints, right? So this is one way we can look for the entry in a very simple manner. The other option I mentioned was the advanced search. So if we go ahead to our advanced search, we'll notice that here we have multiple different conditions. Right now, they're all set to none, which is fine and normal. What we can do is go to our tags, right? Set that as the condition. And we can actually go ahead from our tag selection, select the tag. So I'm going to do endpoint 1 again. Click on OK. And now that that's been added, I can click on search, and every single entry mentioning the endpoint 01 tag will show up in the advanced search. One last thing I'd like to mention is the tags themselves being able to be used in templates, right? So if ever I want to add a tag in my entry template, let's go to our entry templates right away. So here I have my endpoint template. I can edit it. And you'll notice in the description that I can add tags here as well. Click on endpoint 1. There we go. Update. So now every time I create an entry with this template, the tags will automatically be added. As we've been able to see, tags are a great way to manage and further categorize your entries in a way that can make finding them much less tedious. If you ever feel the need to learn more about tags, feel free to visit the tags concept article contained on our documentation webpage.